it gets very hot here. All right. During the summer, we're looking at 118, 119 degrees during the summer. And because when we moved down here, I told her, because this house is all electric, I wanted to look into solar. Well, then all of a sudden we got a knock at the door one day, and lo and behold, it was your company. And I, invited him in. We sit down, we talk about it. And I says, okay, well, let's get it done then, because I do want the solar.
Mm-hmm.
And he said it would take up to 3 months to get it all installed. So got all that done. Everything's taken care of. It's up and running. And we started seeing a savings already.
Right away.
When we first moved in, our electric bill was $280 something for the first month. And then after we got solar, it went down to like $50
something a month. Yes, that's a huge saving, except for
big time
for an all electric house. It's great. I love it.
Oh yeah, it's fantastic.
Especially when you're a retired couple like we are, living on a fixed income. So, and like I said, we've already depleted our savings, what we had from selling our old house, and by purchasing this one. There were some things that we needed to do. So yeah, it's absolutely been wonderful to have the solar panels up there. It's a godsend, like I said. Yeah. I love it. I would have never thought about solar until we came here. Within a month, as soon as they turned it on, it was like the next one came in, and it was like, oh my God, honey, look at our electric bill. I was shocked. I said,
oh yeah,
are they reading it right?
To me, I think it was the best investment I've done yet.
Mm-hmm. Wow. I agree.
Yep. And the Sapphire back there in the background agrees too.
Yeah, our daughter, she's in the back in the living room, and she's like, yep.